How to use Samsung TV without remote. First of all, locate the power button on your TV. The power button for a TV is most likely located in one of three locations: behind the TV, beneath the Samsung logo, or under the TV. After that, press and hold the power button. If you have a 5-button configuration, the power button will be in the center. If you have a single power button, press and hold the button. Use the TV buttons. Use one of the steps to use the TV buttons. For single button configuration, press the button to display the menu on the TV and quick press the button to cycle through the menu options, and press and hold the button to select a menu option. For 5-button configuration, the power button is in the center. The channel up button is above the power button. The channel down button is below the power button. The volume up button is on the left side of the power button and the volume down button is on the right side. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.